Show the nice things, our beautiful ceremonies and customs. At the wedding reception, hospitality is generous and informal. Eat, drink, and be merry, for tomorrow we might lose our jobs, get sick, have our rents raised, be forced to start learning French or English.